In today's digital age of artificial intelligence and face swapping and recording long gone celebrity voices and applying it to Baby Got Back, it's hard to know who to trust. And truly, trust is going to be one of the greater resources traded in the modern digital economy. And so with that, it's an important aspect of BTN, the company that is sponsoring this video and truly this whole entire trip. BTN is very clear. I trust BTN quite a bit, and it's not hard to see why, because their motives are as clear as the driven snow. I know exactly what they're after. With BTN and with the brains behind it, Kevin, who will be doing this interview, it's all about the money. And to me, that is some refreshing honesty in a world where so many people are saying that they want to save the planet and be green and save the whales and everything. Now, these are, very noble goals in a lot of ways, but unfortunately, these are sometimes used as a mask to hide some ulterior motives. But in this case, the motives are very easy. So without further ado, let's go talk to Kevin at BTN.
My name is Kevin Fang. My company is BTN Holding Group. It's e-bike company before, but now we changed to outdoor equipment solution company, not only e-bike. Our mission is let's do back to nature. So it means we want everybody drawn and back to nature with electric mobility like e-bike, trikes, scooters, and so on. So we have already 15 years working with this company. So we have different kinds of customers from the last 15 years. At first, we start with electric bike conversion kit. A bike changed to e-bike. We offer that for customers or import OEM brand. They buy the kits from us and help the people convert their bicycle to e-bike.
So behind me is the office operations for Uniro, BTN, I think BKRE as well, although they might be downstairs with all the parts and everything. But yeah, they have little pylons here for customer service, another one for design, another one for shipping and receiving. And here they just help out their customers all day long, sitting at the desk and everything, handling emails primarily, doing a fair amount of Google Translate, I'm sure. But yeah, this is where the magic happens, so to speak.
We have so many customers, from Europe to North America, also including Australia, New Zealand, like this. Because, we have 15 years. So every part, every year, is changing every year. So the first 10 years, we working more with European countries. And the latest 5 years, we are working more with North America and Australia market. Yeah, but for the next maybe few years, we will change to everywhere. Yeah, include the small islands. Yeah, normally people will ask if we can offer the complete e-bike with their brand, or offer some solution to them. So actually, we already have 15 years experience. So we not only offer products like e-bike or kits or scooters or recumbent trikes or something, but we also offer solutions for global shipping, tariff, or in Europe we also have anti-dumping. We also have solutions. So we are not only an OEM company. Now we become a solution company. customer do the selling and BTN will do the production.
On a surface level, I've gotten to know just a few of them, including Bruce Lee. He's got headphones on there, and soon he's way over there, but he's the camera guy, so I know him probably the best. And yeah, fun stuff. I'm not sure her name, but I've just seen her doing graphic design, and she was keying out all the little spaces in between the spokes and the brake disc rotor, and yeah, my heart goes out to her. I know that pain.
Most of the customers we get are from the company who involved or selling e-bikes few years with so many, they have so many headache with their older suppliers. So they come back to us because we let them feel comfortable, reliable. We always listening customer. Like when something happens, we don't go away or don't stop picking up the phone, and we also doing some immediately action, to solve or fix the customer's headache. Because we always think if we can help them fix their issues, then we can get orders, and also we can grow. What makes me so happy is last 15 years we have helped many small customers become bigger customer now and get their fortune, the big fortune. So when I see they have good family, good company, yeah, I think this is the best value we do, or we help them. When we do some business with customers, I think we should thinking customer first to help them. Not only sales. If you do the service, good job first, the sales will be coming later. Also the trust. Because we can offer correct, good solutions for customers.
So after the interview was over and the cameras turned off, Kevin had told me that he wanted to emphasize some of the service aspects that he has for the brands that he, is selling to. So Kevin actually started a totally new parts company for electric bicycles. There's a little pop-up card. You can see a full video we did on that. But the short version is that Kevin started a whole new company to do just electric bike parts for obscure electric bicycles to try and get them up and running again. Now, the unique advantage that he has is that here in China, and with his expertise in the industry, he can source all sorts of obscure parts for bicycles that are long out of their service range, when the companies are long gone. And you kind of have this idea that these parts are interchangeable, but from the American perspective, we can't get access to those companies, those factories, those schematics. And even if we could, a lot of the times we can't read them without Google Translate, which is, less than helpful in this regard, we'll say. So with that kind of resource available for Kevin, he wants to leverage that and turn it into this electric bike parts company to service not only the end user to get their bike up and running again, be less wasteful, spend less money, but also the brick and mortar stores who can actually do the physical service and get that part installed onto the bike. And for him, kind of going back to the trust thing that we started with, for him, the motives are very clear. I know exactly what's in it for him. He wants to charge a regular rate for these parts that are otherwise, unobtainium. And by all means, go ahead, because getting a replacement charger or getting a replacement controller for like $100, and that's just a ballpark, by the way, that's a lot cheaper than getting a whole entire new electric bike. And again, less wasteful. So yeah, if it helps everybody out, let's go for it. I think it's a great idea.
I think when you choose BTN, you choose trust. So I want to help the people who want to start a business, and let them make money, have a good life. Why you trust us? I can ask you why you trust us.
Kevin just asked why I trust BTN, and the reason is because it's very clear the things that BTN and Kevin want to get across are just out in the open, wear your heart on your sleeve kind of thing, open book sort of attitude. They want to help people sell bikes and get bikes out and get more people BTN or back to nature, and there's nothing wrong or hidden about their motives, and I really appreciate that.
So our website is btn-ebike.com. But later we may, update to btnoutdoors.com.
So there you have it. Without any obfuscation, there it is, right out in the open. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more from the trip to China, be sure and check out this playlist. Otherwise, you can check out a link in the description to contact BTN. I'm Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and I will see you on the later.